Look at this pretty party.
Hello friends, it is Allison from Wonderlast.com and welcome back to my colorful corner of the internet. Today I want to share one simple website tweak that'll help you grow your audience, your email list, and ultimately your revenue. Oh yeah, it is most definitely as exciting as it sounds. Because fact, you have literally got just 2 to 3 seconds to grab someone's attention when they first land on your website, and if you don't do that successfully, then you are missing out on loads of new followers, email subscribers, and customers. So your website and grabbing someone's attention immediately is super important. But before we dive in, if you would like to see regular doses of business growing awesomeness, then be sure to subscribe to my channel because I put out brand spanking new videos to help you grow your business every single Wednesday, and you do not want to miss them. And now, what is this mysteriously simple website tweak that can have a huge impact on the growth of your business? It's this. Showcase your who, what, and how headline above the fold. You need to clearly communicate to people who your website is for, what it's going to help them do, and how they can take action without needing to scroll down. A little side note, above the fold is that area of your website that is visible without needing to scroll down. So for example, if you go to my website, Wonderlast.com, then on the main homepage, you're going to see my who, what, and how headline above the fold. Who do I help? Overwhelmed entrepreneurs. What do I help them do? Create the plan they need to grow the profitable online business that they want. How can they take action? By grabbing their free online business roadmap, which also gets them on my email list. And just why is having this who, what, and how headline above the fold so important? Because not only do you have just 2 to 3 seconds to grab someone's attention when they first land on your site, but if someone is confused over who your website is for or how it's going to benefit them, then they're going to leave. And they're going to leave fast. Plain and simple. Most people nowadays have the attention span of a chimpanzee, and they want to browse a website that is going to benefit them in some way. So you can encourage the right people to stick around on your website and to get on your email list by clearly communicating who your website is for, what specific benefit it will provide them, and how they can take action above the fold. Fun little fact, a good headline can increase your audience retention and email list growth by as much as 2,100%. Yes, you heard that right, 2,100%. Speaking of growth, if your business growth is feeling a bit stagnant, then I invite you to check out my brand new and free masterclass all about the 3 changes I made in my business to go from $468 to $8,524 a month and beyond. Yep, I quite literally share how I went from 5 years of stagnant growth and 0 income to successful full-time business in less than 12 months. So if you would like to check out that free masterclass, then I will pop the link for that in the description below this video. So you know, just look in the description and click the link if you'd like to check out that masterclass and hang out with me more. And that's it. That's the simple website tweak that you need to make if you want to see more growth in your audience, your email list, and ultimately, your revenue. Got a question? Then leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And now, it's time to go frolic outside like a beautiful Bambi. You know, like the reindeer.